God is always good to Jody Santa Maria.
Napakahusay ni Piolo sa kanyang katauhan bilang Homer. My gosh, it's 4 days before Christmas. This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Together with Miss Kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And of course, you are watching the Kitty Show, Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition. And as our Christmas present to all of you, we are going to discuss about two of the biggest stars in Philippine show business na masayang-masaya ngayon ang holidays. Unahan na natin sina Piolo ang pag-uusapan po namin is na Piolo Pascual at si Miss Jody Santa Maria. Siyempre, ladies first tayo, di ba? Mare, unahan na natin, kamusta si Miss Jody Santa Maria ngayong holidays?
Alam mo, tawag dito, God is always good to Jody Santa Maria.
Why do you say so?
Kasi hindi siya naubusan ng activities.
Aha.
Oo.
Anong pinagkakaabalan ni Madam?
'Di ba after this kasi 'di ba humingi siya ng this year talaga 1 year, wala siyang
Oo.
ginawa.
Yung
Walang
vlog niya
teleserye,
lang,
oo.
vlog.
So yung pagba-vlog lang
Is
niya,
the
yung YouTube
vlog,
channel
is
niya,
the YouTube channel still continuing?
nagtawag dito
Nag-break.
nag-season break siya
Mhm.
because sabi nung consultant niyang si Biboy Arboleda, it is physically taxing kasi
Yes.
tatlong segments
Oo.
ang isang episode.
Mhm.
Unlike yung YouTube niya before na pag travel lang siya, yun na yun, di ba? Ito hindi, tatlong segment
Okay.
ang
So do we expect a reformat when it opens for next season?
Oo, parang parang inaano pa, pinag-uusapan pa what to do, kung ano i-improve or ano yung aalisin na para maging isahan na lang, ganun.
Okay. So how is her holidays? Saan daw siya
Dito
mag-holiday?
lang siya. Dito lang
Okay.
siya kasi sa talagang ang holiday pala sa kanila ay parang dito lang pamilya, family-oriented. Tapos tawag dito, pero si Mother Bibs sinabi na there are 2 movies canned na, tapos na,
Tapos na.
na waiting to be to be shown most probably next year.
Okay.
One is Ed Job.
Edjop. Oh, yes. The one na bida si Elijah.
Elijah, yung si Edgar Burgos ba yan?
Oh, paano?
Ed Burgos?
Or Ed Hoson?
Job Burgos talaga. Edward
Jobson?
Jobson, yung
Jobson.
activist na pinatay,
Yes.
di ba? Oo, who was killed. Siya yung anak ni
Ni Elijah.
ni Elijah, hindi
Na lumaki na.
ni Ed Jobson. Ed
Jobson.
Jobs. Oo, Ed Jobs ba yan? There was one movie din na sinut pa sa sa Japan
Okay.
where she plays one of the four last of the Mohicans sila ng Pinay entertainers in Japan.
Okay.
So they were the last batch na
Inalaw mo mag-perform ba sa Japan?
oo.
Parang ganon.
Sila ng last batch of performance sa Japan kasi 'di ba nagsara na for 'di ba yung yun. Sila yung last batch.
Okay.
Oo.
So how was it like being in her intimate party?
Ay,
Take us to there. How was the experience? How was it like being with Jody?
kasi yung mga vloggers, 'di ba? Parang 10 vloggers yun and ako lang yung legitimate na na press.
How fun was it?
It was so fun na talagang kung hindi closed door yung yung function room, ay yung
May skandalo sa halakhakan
Scandal,
niyo.
oo, yung mga At saka may isa pa pala, sabi ni ni B-Boy, Jody is being three projects were pitched for Jody, teleserye, pero parang dalawa yung pamimilian finally. Pero for sure, kaya wala siya dun sa dun sa TV special ng ABS, 'di ba? Kasi may mga yun ibig sabihin yung may mga show yun. Kasi wala siya sa first and second quarter of
the
year for the teleserye. So baka sa third and fourth quarter of the year pumasok, 'di ba? kung magugustuhan niya yung
Okay.
ano.
So, anong Christmas wish mo for Miss Jody?
As as always gusto ko siyang ano, gusto gusto ko yung ano niya na talagang kasi hodang mahaba yung panahon na mag-stay out of acting siya, basta yung gagawin niyang next talagang kakaiba at
Mhm.
hindi niya nagawa.
Okay.
So, basta na-maintain niya yung gano'ng ano, okey
Mhm.
na sa'kin yun.
Okay. Ako naman, masayang-masaya naman ang holidays ni Piolo Pascual simply because he's one of the lead stars ng Manila's Finest.
Hmm,
It's an action drama directed by Raymond Red na kasali this year sa Metro Manila Film Festival. I was one of the very few press people who attended the special screening.
hmm,
Hindi pa talaga to yung premiere, ha?
mm.
Special screening pa lang to, which was held at Robinson's Manila Cinema 5. At ito lang po ang verdict ko sa pelikulang ito. Napakahusay ni Piolo sa kanyang katauhan bilang Homer. Isa siya sa parang haligi ng Manila's Finest. So, grabe yung pinagdadaanan ng kanyang katauhan. Kasi, ang ganda rin ng production design. Kasi era to ng 1969. Yun ang pinakita sa pelikula.
That is
1969,
where the ano, Manila's Finest
oo,
started.
oo, hindi ko alam kung nag-start talaga ng 1969, but the time of 1969, prior to 1972.
Mm.
Yun ang timeline. So, ang ganda nung kita mo yung costume, pati yung tugtog,
Mm.
pati yung pagsasalita, pati yung pera.
Hmm?
Oo,
Nakuha nila?
nakuha nila. Kung sino man yung production design team,
Mm.
ang galing nyo po. Tapos yung cinematography,
Hmm.
parang siyang sepia.
Ah,
Yung parang talaga kita-kita, parang binalik ka talaga nung, di ba nung nanonood ko ng,
1970s.
parang nanonood ko ng black and white movie nung araw, di ba
Mm.
sa TV, lahat naman nung araw, puro black and white.
Mm.
Parang ganon, kaya parang sepia yung dating.
Hmm.
Impressed ako kay Piolo kasi ang dami niyang, Piolo had 3 big scenes. Nakitang-kita mo talaga yung restrained. Hindi siya yung pang teleserye acting.
Mm.
Pigil na pigil. Yung pag-confront niya dun sa mga pinagdadaanan niya. Kasi nangyari pala nung 1969, parang pinagkasabong sila ng Metrocom.
Hmm.
Hindi ko na po alam ang ibig sabihin ng Metrocom, pero yun po ang parang mga kapulisan.
Don't give too much.
Oo, basta yun po parang,
Spoiler ka.
basta yung mga parang kapulisan ng mga
Mm.
panahon na yon. Parang gano'n, pinagkasabong sila ng Metrocom. But ang galing-galing ni Piolo, there are 3 big scenes of him na talagang ang galing. Talagang kita mo talaga, ang wish ko nga sa kanya, sana siya manalong Best Actor
Mm.
for Manila's Finest.
Eh, yung Dylan Minor, anong role?
Newbie
Newbie Cup?
Newbie Cup.
Mm.
At hanggang doon na lang po ang kaya kong sabihin kasi sabi ni Alex, ayaw mag-spoil. Pag hindi lang minor, bawal i-spoil. Pero yung husay ni Papa P, todo. Diba? At ang todong-todong mahusay na dalawang malaking eksena lang nandun siya, Jasmine Curtis Smith. Girl, you are on fire.
Talaga?
Yes, that girl is something else. Ariel Rivera.
Ariel Rivera?
Oo. Pakatandaan niyo po, napakahusay rin ni Ariel Rivera. At dito kayo mababaliw, nakakaloka rin ang karakter ni Rico Blanco.
Hmm?
Yes! Rico!
He's there?
Yes!
Mm.
Rico! Clap, 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 clap. And going back to Dylan Minor,
That would be very interesting.
going back to Dylan Minor, I'm going to be as objective as possible. I really hope you enroll in more acting workshops.
Mm.
Iho, you need it. You really need it. Lalo na, kitang-kita yung kahinaan mo. Because ang supporting cast mo, ang kasama mo sa Manila's Finest lang naman, ay sina Romnick Sarmenta,
Mm.
si Joey Marquez, si Papa P, si Enrique Hill. So nakikita talaga na bagido ka pa talaga.
Mediocre?
Ha?
Mediocre?
It's not even mediocre.
Ay! Diyos ko.
I don't want to say the W word.
Amateurs?
You're putting words in my mouth.
Aray ko, my
But
God!
I always believe that acting is a skill na pwede mong matutuhan. Kaya enroll
So,
in
eto
mo.
pa. Han? Oh, ano yan, uso yan ngayon,
Oo, masarap ang
magpapasko.
hamon.
Oo.
Pero yung hamon niya,
Mhm.
parang, I remember someone na parang ang sarap ibato ng hamon eh.
My God! Diyos ko! Diyos ko, nakakaloka. How iconic!
Diba, that was a very iconic line that will forever be remembered. So, pag nakakaalala ko ng hamon,
Oh,
tapos napanood ko si Dylan,
oh.
okay. Parang gusto akong ibato. Gusto ko ibato. But Papa P, so much because he's one of the producers.
Mm-mm.
He invested on this very good project. Papa P, congratulations. You were so great. At higit sa lahat, ang bango-bango mo kagabi.
Hmm?
Diba? Ito po si Alwad Ignacio, and the Wood That You Love. Kasama ko aking kumaring Ultima Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At pinapanood niyo po ang The Kitty Show. Tarayan at Talakayan Showbiz Edition.